Have you ever dreamed of sharing your travel adventures with the world and making it easy for readers to explore your journeys by destination, theme, or activity? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful, fully functional travel blog in WordPress, complete with a filter category feature so visitors can quickly find the posts they're most interested in. Ready to inspire travelers and make your story shine? Let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have installed and activated the aBlocks WordPress plugin on your site. Now, let's head over to the aBlocks Template Kit section. Here you'll find a wide selection of beautifully designed, pre-made templates across different categories and niches. Take your time to explore them. Browse through travel template, lifestyle designs, or any layout that sparks your creativity. Click Preview on any template to take a closer look. You'll see thoughtfully designed sections like eye-catching hero section, stylish featured menus or products, essential about and contact information, real testimonials from happy customers, effective call to action buttons, and more. Once you've picked the template that fits your brand, click Start Import. Make sure to check the box that says Import with Images to bring in the full demo content. Then click Import Now. In just a few seconds, your complete travel website will be imported, clean, responsive, and professionally designed. To see it in action, click Visit Website. Click the Edit button on the home page to open the page in the WordPress block editor. With aBlocks 60+ Gutenberg blocks, you now have complete creative control. Whether you want to tweak layouts, adjust color schemes, update your menu, or personalize your content, aBlocks gives you a visual, intuitive editing experience. No need for coding, no complicated steps. Just click, drag, and customize your website exactly the way you envision it. Now let's move on to customizing the hero section of your travel homepage. Click on the image block in the hero section. On the right panel, under the block settings, click Replace and upload a new background image that reflects your brand or theme. Next, add a border radius to give your background image a smooth, modern look. Then tweak the text inside the image. Update both the heading and the paragraph to match your blog's voice and personality. Once you're happy with the hero section, scroll down to the testimonials section. Here, add a background color that complements your site's overall design and makes the testimonials stand out. When all your customizations are complete, click the Save button at the top to apply every change you've made. And there you have it, your stunning travel blog, fully customized and ready to share with the world. Globe showing Europe, Africa airplane. With the power of aBlocks and WordPress, you can easily design a blog that's not only beautiful, but also easy for your readers to explore. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming WordPress tips and design guides. Now go out there and start telling your travel stories in style. See you in the next video.